Hey guys, welcome back to my channel at natassiar1. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an amazing licorice root tea. So it's not the licorice that you find in a sweet confectionery store, but this is the licorice that is made out of an amazing root, originally from Egypt and used in Chinese and Middle Eastern medicine. So stick around as I show you the benefits as well as how to prepare this magical tea for everyday use at home. Licorice root tea. What is it? Well, this licorice root tea is actually an Egyptian superfood. So apparently, according to research and history, these licorice root tea was actually drank by the pharaohs in earlier Egyptian times. So it was made for the kings and the monarchy of the ruling party or system of that generation. And it was used as a natural sweet drink for the gods. It's also used in modern times in Chinese medicine as well as in Middle Eastern medicine. As you can see, it looks super amazing and it smells absolutely phenomenal and has a sweet, pungent aroma. Let's talk about the benefits of licorice root tea before we move into how to prepare this amazing tea. So licorice root tea, or the root itself, has an active compound called glycyrrhizin. So glycyrrhizin is what gives the tea its amazing taste and smell and the pungent aroma, and it is freaking awesome in terms of even cooking if you want to take it to that level of fine dining and holistic health. But it has an active compound which gives it its sweetness, its pungent, its aroma. It also has a lot of antioxidants, fights inflammation, it's anti-inflammatory. So really, really good if you suffer with a lot of swelling and a lot of inflammation markers within your body and immune system. Licorice root tea is also great for fighting infections. It's antiviral. It has that active compound which actually fights your ulcers or heals your ulcers within your stomach. It's also known for its great skin health benefits. What it does is it's actually a natural skin lightener. So it's used in a lot of acne creams, acne fighting creams, as well as anti-wrinkle, as well as skin lightening creams. So it's a great natural herb to use in your own oils if you're blending or if you're drinking it as a tea, as I mentioned before. It also soothes your stomach. So if you've got, as I mentioned, ulcers and peptic issues with the gut, this is great for just calming the whole colon and intestine if you need a nice tea in the morning or in the afternoon after a stressful day at work. A licorice root tea is also known to fight cancer. So there's small pockets of research which shows it in the new age medicine and technology research that it is great for fighting cancer. I don't know the full extent of this research, but I do know it's showing promising effects on cancer symptoms and helping to alleviate a lot of the cancer symptoms that a lot of the patients actually fight. So guys, now I'm going to show you how to prepare this amazing licorice root tea. Step 1, you're going to get yourself some licorice root tea or licorice root herb. You can get this from any of your health stores or retailers or pharmacies and specialized stores. And once you get it at home, it's either pre-cut or you can actually cut it yourself. And what you do is you take a couple of grams, you can take 10 or 20 grams, put it into a pestle and a mortar, and you can crush that to release some of its fragrance and natural aroma. And once you've pretty much crushed it in the pestle and mortar, you will take a teaspoon of that licorice root and you will put it into your teapot. Boil some water in your kettle or on the stove. Take about 100 ml or 200 ml of that water, pour it into your teapot. Steep for about a minute or two, depending on how intense you want the flavors. I would say a minute will give you the natural sweetness, and anytime longer than that will give you a little bit more pungent aroma, and it's much stronger brewed tea. So again, it's up to your preference and your likeness of the taste of the tea. After you're done brewing and steeping, you'll pour it into your cup and your saucer, and you can top it up with a little bit of the licorice root itself, just to give it that little bit of a look. And you can even chew on the root itself if you'd like. There's no issues with it. And there we go. You've got your perfectly brewed licorice root tea, fresh in the morning, or you can do it in the afternoon after a stressful day and you need to just relax and calm the body, calm your system. This is perfect. And again, if you like today's recipe and you've tried it at home, let me know your thoughts. Subscribe to my channel. Check me out on social media. I'm on Facebook and Instagram, and comment on the section below and let me know if you've enjoyed this Egyptian superfood.